Well, we run soil identification, triaxial soil chart, then we get into plasticity testing, we do the Atterberg test, we do maximum theoretical density testing, so we run a Proctor, then we run a field density test using the sand cone replacement method.
Oh my gosh.
We do fine aggregate angularity, we do specific gravity, we run gradation analysis, and we do have a couple of shakers over on that side. We do some splitting and sampling. So all of this is MnDOT Ag Production Level 1 tests. We used to be authorized by MnDOT to certify students with Ag Production Level 1, but they took that away from us a few years ago.
Okay.
Ideally, at some point, we'd get that back again, but not yet.
Well,
After we do all our soil testing, then we get into concrete. So we batch concrete, we do several different mix designs, and then do some concrete testing. So we run a slump cone, we do air pot testing. Not much to see in there. Same thing here now.
bunch of test equipment, calipers.
Just a bunch of scales and calipers
Yeah.
and whatnot.
Yep.
And then when we batch our concrete, we'll cast cylinders and eventually break them here. We do
What's this Humboldt machine here?
That's our compression tester, so our testing frame to break our cylinders.
So it presses down on those cylinders that you created, and it measures the amount of force.
Yeah, it measures overall force, and then we have the students calculate what the PSI load is based on surface area.
So some of those cylinders back there are examples of something you would test.
Yep.
Way in the back there.
Yep, we keep a few samples for
Yep.
for student makeup labs.
And then you actually mix them and make them right here.
Yeah, this will be when we break the cylinders. That's where we'll toss them, and we're going to do that here this week.
Nice.
Um,
This is cool.
yeah, and then some of what you see here is construction material for our other materials lab class, where that's more of a build class for the construction students.
Sure.
So we build small stuff, but at the end of the semester, we're actually putting together structures. So last semester in here, we had 5 small structures ranging from chicken coops to greenhouses to garden sheds that
Nice.
eventually get disassembled or shipped off site. We've also partnered with programs like I forget the name of the program, but building hunting shacks for disabled veterans.
Nice.
We've partnered with the Wolf Center to build them some enclosures. Trying to give them just a hands-on perspective of actually building something.
Yeah. Very cool. What's this thing back here in the trough?
The trough, so we used to have that full of water, and we were water curing some of the concrete.
Okay.
We haven't filled that up yet this year, and I think we're probably going to do away with that,
Okay.
the water bath, and just let everything air cure.
How about the green things here?
These are shakers for our sieve stacks. So
Okay.
when we do our gradation analysis, we load up our stack of sieves here and shake them.
Very cool. That's it in a nutshell, huh?
That's kind of what you see when you walk in.